Good afternoon, fit and healthy family. Good afternoon. So, this is meal number 5. And I have to say, what I've noticed already from doing this raw detox is that I'm constantly going to the bathroom and I can definitely feel something. I kind of feel, at some point a couple of hours ago, I felt like my battery had been drained, and then I had all this energy, and then I needed to sit down for a moment. I'm so glad that I decided to do this on a day where I don't have to service clients, because this is not something I would recommend doing if you're having to be out and about and busy with work and everything outside of home. You kind of do need to be at home. Like I said, I've been in and out of the bathroom and it's just been a lot. So I'm eating this and actually really looking forward to it because it is actually something warm. So what I did is I blended 1 cup of this 25 calorie cashew milk with about 400 milliliters or so of just plain water. And then I added, this is a collard green leaf, I added 50 grams worth, so about 2 ounces. I chopped up this and put it in the blender. Blended that with 1 serving of those oats, a dash of Himalayan salt, 1 serving of PB2 almond butter, powdered almond butter. And then I also had a tablespoon or 2 of this monk fruit sweetener to give it some sweetness. And then I had, oh, I'm missing an ingredient here. Hang on. Okay, so the other ingredient that I was missing is this curry powder. And the point of all of this, when it comes to plant-based nutrition, plants are medicines, everyone. So plants pull toxins out of the body. They kind of challenge the body a little bit to eliminate certain things. They push things out of your system. They're not as good at building us up as animal proteins, but they're really great medicines. And I just felt like I kind of needed to do this for myself and also for clients. So yeah, so this is all that I have. I blended all that up and then I cooked it for about 20 minutes. And you could do it in a saucepan on the stovetop, or you could do it in the microwave. No judgments here. I'm not a huge advocate of microwave cooking, but I understand when time is short, it's really quick. You can do this in the microwave in like 15 minutes. Like cook it for 8 minutes, take it out, stir it, and then cook it for another 8 minutes, and it should be ready. But this is what it looks like, and you see what the texture is like, okay? Not the most appetizing looking concoction, but it is quite tasty. So I'm going to enjoy the first warm kind of cooked thing that I've had today. And the next meal is 2 vegetables and 2 fruits. And I think for the vegetables, I get to choose from either tomatoes, which is not really a vegetable, it's a fruit, but I can have either tomato, red pepper, or I think I could add plums, and I may have 1 of each at this point, because the idea of eating 2 more fruits and 2 vegetables is making me a little bit nauseous. So yeah, that's where I am. This is meal number 5. 6 will be 2 veggies and 2 fruits. And the veggies and fruits that I'll have in meal number 6 will not be apple or banana. And then the last meal is another smoothie or smoothie bowl. So, all right, hope this helps you. You all have a good day. Bye now. Oh, I'll see you in a couple of hours. Bye now.